How to deposit money in XTrend Speed app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money in the XTrend Speed app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the XTrend Speed app. Tap on Me. Tap on Deposit. Write here how much money you want to deposit. For my country, the minimum is 400 and the maximum is 20,000. Then select the method of payment. It is recommended to read all these Q&As. Tap on More questions to read more. If you have any problems depositing money, you can tap here and contact the customer care. They will help you to solve all of your problems. To deposit money, tap on Deposit. The process of depositing money is different in different countries and in different payment methods. I have selected UPI to deposit money. So to deposit money through UPI, I have to enter my phone number here and tap on Next. Then select through which app I want to complete the payment and then tap on Pay. I have selected Google Pay here, so it will take me to Google Pay and then I have to complete the payment on the Google Pay app. So this is how to deposit money into XTrend Speed.